everybody, today we're in the beautiful Porsche Cayenne Turbo Coupe, and I'd like to show you how to set up your wireless CarPlay if your Porsche is compatible. So you'll notice on the left side of the screen you have a few options here, and you'll scroll down until you find Devices. And then you'll go to Connection Manager, where the fourth one down you will find Connect Apple CarPlay. Once you have that activated, you'll notice it'll start searching for devices, which you'll then go into your Bluetooth settings, and then you will see that your device will come up on the search list. Once you click it on the vehicle, it will send a pairing request to your phone. And then you'll go through the different prompts that come up until it will connect to your vehicle. And note that Apple CarPlay will only work for iPhones.